Hello everyone. So the topic that we are going to see today is how to take care of your health in IT industry or any other industry where you sit in the laptop for a long time and work. So some of the basic issues which the people are facing in the IT industry or a similar type of job is that no they sit in a place for a long time continuously and they work, right? This is one issue. Second one is the screen time. They look at the screen for a long time, and this is another issue. The third one is no too much into the work. People become workaholic and they forget their basic needs like food, water, and everything, right? These are the three basic issues that I want to address in this video. So regarding the first issue, right, sitting in the place for a long time, one way you can address this issue is to move around, right? Don't sit in the same place for a long time, right? So try to move around, go keep moving at least once in a while. So one of the way I normally do is, like, what I do is, I keep a bottle of water, right? And no, it's better to keep a small bottle instead of keeping 2 liter or 1 liter, even if it is possible like 500 ml or even less than that. You can keep a small bottle, right? Whenever the bottle gets emptied, you go to the pantry or somewhere and fill the bottle, right? And also it's a good practice also, like, to drink a good amount of water. So whenever you see the bottle, you try to drink some amount of water, right? And then which will give you the enough water required for the body, because when you're in IT and you work continuously deep into the work, you forget even basic things like water and other things, right? So simple thing you can do is keep a small bottle, right? And whenever you see the bottle, try to drink the water. And and whenever the bottle gets completed, just move around and fill the bottle and come back to your place. So this gives you a kind of movement which is required for your body, which will avoid issues like back pain and other kinds of things which people normally face due to their posture when they are working in the industry, right? Especially in IT. And another thing is, like, always try to follow a good posture, okay, which is very important. So there are many things which you can Google to find out what is the best posture when you are working in front of the laptop. Those posture also you can try to use, right? And another thing is, like, when you are trying to see at the screen continuously for a long time, so what happens is, like, your eyes gets tired, right? So for that, there are few many tips people normally use, right? They keep a reminder to blink the eyes once in a while. In the laptop you can keep an eye reminder, so like that people do. And people also use different kind of screen settings, like changing the color of the screen.